Hello friends, my name is Huzaifa. My experience of the workshop up till now has been great. I have learned a lot. There were many things which I did not know and I have learned after this workshop. I would recommend many people to go for the workshop as you'll learn a lot, especially how the gadgets are destroying our life day in, day out. It's like they are an invisible silent killer, and how knowingly unknowingly we are just getting into that trap. So I think this workshop will really help most of them. And Go Nature team and Mr. Vishal is doing a great job in educating. I would add one more thing. If this class were to go not only online or teaching, if some of the teachings were imparted to the school's children or the college, it would be much better, like how we can improve our life. There is a lot to improve, there is a lot to learn. Learning never stops. So my regards and my all the best for the future to Go Nature team. Thank you.